Yes, Sonal ma'am,
Okay,
please read out.
okay, ma'am. He asked me if I had. He asked
Anything to
me if I had anything to say. Ram asked Hari if he would change place with him. He said that he was tired and that he wishes to go to bed. And old mouse asked who would bail the car. Johan said that he wanted to be solid. He asked
soldier,
me
soldier,
where I
soldier.
was going. Soldier, okay, ma'am. Soldier. He asked my when I was going. He asked me what I wanted. Abdul said that he had seen that picture.
Had seen
The
that
boy said that the boy
would go with us. Enough.
go with us. He said
Yeah.
that
Bas.
that
Sonal,
the earth.
Sonal
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
it's asked.
Yes, ma'am.
Asked. बोलिए asked.
Asked.
हाँ,
Asked.
asked नहीं, asked.
Ask. Ask. Okay.
Yes, Gitu ma'am, you read out from 21.
Okay, ma'am. The stranger asked Alice where she lived. I asked Mary if she would lend me a pencil. He told us that he had waited an hour. The lady
The lady
inquired
inquired.
if he was not quite well again. Quite well again.
He said that
He said that he had come to see them. He said that thought he had come. It was against his will. The speaker said that it gave him great pleasure to be there that evening. He asked them whether they would listen to such a man. He asked me if I would accompany him. He ordered him to leave the room and forbade him to return.
okay, it's enough.
The mother asked her,
It's enough. It's enough, ma'am.
"Ma'am,
I've sent you
what
the
is
grammar
meaning
part.
of forbade?"
Please open it. Forbid, say goodbye. Goodbye. Saying goodbye.
Okay.
Yes. Make 2 sentences each of this. मैम आप सोनल मैम इज के एक सेंटेंस बनाओ. इज का 2 sentences बना के
Is.
दिखाओ. इज
मैम एनीथिंग बनाओ कि उसमें जो लिखा है वही बनाना है.
नहीं ये लिखा नहीं है. डी पार्ट में देखो आप. इज का सेंटेंस बनाइए. जैसे ही इज माय ब्रदर, कुछ भी बना लो.
ओके.
2 सेंटेंस बनाओ.
He is my son. She is my sister-in-law.
बस आर का बनाइए आप. गीतू मैम आर का बनाइए. आर.
There are 2 boys.
यस. एक और बनाइए.
Okay. Sita and Geeta are sisters.
वेरी गुड. देयर का आप बनाइए नमिता मैम. देयर. इसे देयर बोलना है. वैसे देयर.
हाँ. There is a big house in my colony. There is a book on a table.
On the table. Yes. सोनल मैम अब इस वाले देयर का बनाइए. THEIR का बनाइए. देयर. सोनल मैम. यस.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बनाइए.
There is my house.
नहीं ये देयर. THEIR. उस दिन मैंने आपको फर्क बताया था. उनका इसका फर्क बताओ.
उनका. Okay. We are there the home.
नहीं. सोनल मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
This is their house. ये उनका घर है. This is their car. ये उनकी कार है, फिर से बनाओ अब ये।
Okay. This this is their car. He
Pardon?
is their home.
हाँ, दिस इज देयर होम, यस। आगे इस वाले
आगे।
देयर का THEIR मतलब उनका।
उनका।
हाँ बोलिए, एक और बनाइए।
She is their toy.
I am going to their house.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलिए,
उनका।
I am going to their house, मैं उनके घर जा रही हूँ।
I am going to their house.
हाँ, एक और बनाओ।
Okay. I am going to their hospital.
Their,
Hospital. उनके हॉस्पिटल जा रही हूँ मैं।
ठीक है ठीक है। नमिता मैम, एक इस देयर का आप भी बनाइए। नमिता मैम,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
एक,
ma'am.
हाँ
My friend always forget their belonging to my house.
हाँ, माई फ्रेंड्स ऑलवेज फॉरगेट देयर बिलोंगिंग्स। ठीक है, अब बट के 2 सेंटेंसेस बनाइए।
मैं
But-
बनाऊं मैम?
हाँ मैम, आप बनाइए।
Okay, ma'am. Sheila is very beautiful, but absent. She is absent, but she is full.
हाँ ठीक है, वेरी गुड। एक और बनाइए।
I want to join class, but recently I don't have time.
ओके ठीक है, बट ये फिर से बोलिए सेंटेंस मैम, ये वाला सेंटेंस दोबारा बोलिए। आई जॉइन क्लास,
I want to join the class, but I have no time.
नो टाइम। ओके ओके, सोनल मैम आप भी बट के बनाइए 2 सेंटेंस।
But okay.
सोनल, हाँ बट के
Yes,
2।
ma'am. Okay. I learn English, but I have no time for classes.
ओके नेक्स्ट,
Next one.
एक और
My-
बनाओ।
My son is very smart, but he is not minded in your class.
ओके ठीक है। गीतू मैम आप एंड के बनाइए 2 सेंटेंसेस।
Okay. I want to learn
Yes, ma'am.
English and I want to learn English and Hindi writing both. Is it okay, ma'am?
मैम आई कांट, नो आई कांट हियर यू, बोलिए।
Okay. I want to learn English and Hindi writing both.
ओके वेरी गुड, नेक्स्ट।
Uh,
यस, एंड के, एंड
okay.
के।
She want to go. She want to go Agra and Gwalior.
ओके ठीक है गुड। अभी ई पार्ट आ रहा है। ई पार्ट में यूज ARE, OUR एंड HOUR। फर्क पता लग रहा है ना सोनल मैम, फर्क पता लग रहा है? अभी 2 सेंटेंसेस आप बोलो ई पार्ट के। ए पार्ट चिल्ड्रन,
E part के
हाँ
just a minute.
फर्क बताओ, कौन सा आर लगेगा बताइए? ए पार्ट में चिल्ड्रन डैश प्लेइंग,
Children are playing.
कौन सी स्पेलिंग आएगी इसमें?
ARER.
ARE, हाँ। दूसरा दिस इज, नेक्स्ट बी पार्ट बोलो।
This is my house. This is my house.
ऊपर आर ही यूज करना है, कौन सा आर आएगा?
R. This is R. This is their house.
नहीं बेटा, आर ही यूज करना है। कौन सा आर आना है इसमें? ARE, OUR या HOUR? क्या फर्क है बताओ? इट इज आर हाउस,
आएगा मैम,
हमारा घर है।
आर,
कौन सा आर यूज
OUR,
किया? हाँ,
OUR,
उसका क्या मतलब होता है? मतलब हमारा घर है।
हमारा, हमारा।
हाँ, नेक्स्ट नमिता मैम आप यूज करिए सी एंड डी
Yes,
पार्ट।
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She is our sister. OUR.
वेरी गुड, ओ यू आर,
I will see you
वेरी गुड।
1 hour later. HOUR, 1 hour later.
यू आर, 1 घंटे के बाद। वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट गीतू मैम।
She ready for 6 an hour. HOUR.
कौन सा? वेरी गुड।
HOUR.
नेक्स्ट।
What are
ठीक
you
है, ठीक
doing?
है, आगे बोलो।
What are you doing? ARE.
हाँ, कौन सा आ रहा है? ए आर ई।
ARE.
सोनल मैम आपको फर्क पता चला?
नहीं मैम, थोड़ा समझ में थोड़ा नहीं आया।
ओ यू आर का मतलब हमारा, एच ओ यू आर का मतलब घंटे वाला, ए आर ई मतलब प्लोरल में लगता है। समझ आ रही है? हाँ। नेक्स्ट आपका आता है न्यू और न्यू। NEW नया, और न्यू का मतलब पता है। चलो सोनल मैम बोलो जरा।
This is new car. NEW, new car.
वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट आगे
I
बोलो।
knows his name.
आई न्यू हिज नेम, तो क्या आएगा? कौन सा न्यू आएगा?
KNEW.
वेरी गुड। गीतू मैम आप बोलिए।
Where is your new dress? NEW.
वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट।
He knew my address. KNEW.
वेरी गुड। नमिता मैम।
Yes, ma'am. I knew you like KNOW. You like new storybooks. NEW.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। अब आ गया नो और नो। नो और नो। सोनल मैम आप बोलो।
First ma'am.
सोनल मैम देखो, एक नो का मना करना और एक नो का मतलब मेरे को पता है। न्यू नो। चलिए
Okay
बोलिए।
ma'am. Just a minute ma'am. कौन सा पार्ट है? H वाला?
जी पार्ट का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोलो। हाँ,
G. Okay.
चलिए आए।
No, no, I don't want to eat.
कौन सा नो
NO,
आएगा
no.
इसमें? NO।
No, no,
नेक्स्ट बोलो।
NO, no.
हाँ, फिर दूसरा
Do
यू।
you know him? KNOW.
वेरी गुड। गीतू मैम आप बोलो।
I know his address. KNOW.
वेरी गुड। यस, नेक्स्ट।
No, he is not coming. NO, no.
वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट नमिता मैम आप
no.
बोलो।
No, this is not my shirt. NO.
हम्म।
I know him very well. KNOW.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। हाँ, अब आपने सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं, तो आप वही मैंने आर न्यू इनका बोला है, तो आर के सोनल मैम बनाओ जरा। दो सेंटेंसेस बनाइए आर के।
RK.
ARE H पार्ट।
Prisha. ARE.
हाँ,
Prisha and Drumil are playing.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट
Next,
एक और बनाओ।
me and my husband are going to Surat.
वेरी नाइस। यस। नमिता मैम आप OUR के बनाइए। सोनल मैम जो आप नहीं बना रहे हो ना, दूसरे बना रहे हो, उसको सुनो अच्छे से।
Yes, ma'am.
OUR के। नमिता मैम जी आप दो बनाइए।
Yes, ma'am. Our town is small but very beautiful.
वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट।
Our country, beauty of our country is incredible.
वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। चलिए गीतू मैम HOUR के बनाइए।
I'm taking class for 1 hour. And second one
एक और।
she is going. She is went market before 2 hours.
for 2 hours। ठीक है, ठीक है। अभी NE न्यू के सोनल मैम आप बनाइए। NEW, new के.
Okay. I have a new dress. My dress is so beautiful.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अभी मैम आप KNEW के बनाइए. नमिता
And-
मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
KNEW.
Yes, ma'am. I knew my subject very well.
एक और?
Ram knew. Everyone knew the address of Ghantaghar in my town.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नो, NO. सोनल मैम आप बनाओ.
I know this book is beautiful.
नहीं मैम कि नो NO का बनाइए.
No का. No. I have
No,
a no.
I don't
this
want to
book.
talk to you. No.
No,
Pardon?
okay. I have a no book.
No. नहीं मैम, I have no book. ठीक है, गलत नहीं है. नेक्स्ट एक और बनाओ.
Okay. I am no go to the market.
क्या?
I am
क्लियर नहीं है मैम. मैम इस ढंग से. No, I don't want to talk to you. No, I will not do this work. नहीं का बनाना था आपने.
नहीं. Okay.
नहीं. जीतू मैम न्यू का बनाइए आप. न्यू, KNEW.
Okay.
नहीं, नो है, KNOW. सॉरी, KNOW.
Okay. I know she is good girl.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट एक और बनाइए. I know you very well. I know him. कुछ भी बोलो.
Okay. I don't know where is he.
ठीक है. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. आई के राइट और राइट. सोनल आप बनाओ जरा. राइट मतलब सही है और दूसरा राइट मतलब लिखना. फर्क बताओ.
Right.
सोनल मैम आप
Yes, ma'am.
करिए.
Yes.
हाँ.
Okay. Right.
Yes,
I know
ma'am.
you are right. I know
Spelling
you are
बोलो.
right.
स्पेलिंग बोलो कौन सी आएगी.
RIGHT. Right.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट.
Right. कहीं मैम.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही है. आगे बोलिए. बी पार्ट.
B part.
राइट ऑन हिज पेपर. राइट ऑन दिस पेपर. कौन सा राइट आएगा इसमें.
Newspaper.
पार्डन.
RIGHT.
नहीं मैम, RIGHT तो पहले में आया. दूसरे में क्या आएगा. सेकंड में क्या आएगा. राइट ऑन दिस पेपर.
Right. WRITE.
हाँ, WRITE. यस. नेक्स्ट नमिता मैम.
Yes, ma'am. Write on this paper. WRIT. Right. Am
वेरी
I
गुड.
right?
नेक्स्ट.
RIGHT. Am I right?
यस, यस. नेक्स्ट. डी पार्ट बोलो मैम. आप ही बोलो डी पार्ट भी.
नहीं बोल दी. Okay,
This
ma'am.
is-
This is not the right way. RIGHT. Can I
Yes,
write
Geetu
here?
ma'am.
WRIT.
वेरी
Can
गुड,
I write?
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. एक्सीलेंट. अच्छा मैम, एक मैंने आपको भेजा है. जैसे आपसे कोई पूछता है भाई, कोई नया बच्चा है, आपसे पूछता है भाई आलू पराठा कैसे बनाना है. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
हेलो, सुन रहे हो
Yes,
आप मेरी
ma'am.
बात. तो कोई
Yes,
आपसे
ma'am.
पूछता है स्टफ्ड आलू पराठा कैसे बनाना है. अब उस दिन आप लोगों ने भी बताया. इसको पढ़ के देखो. आपको किसी को एक्सप्लेन करना है डिटेल में कैसे करोगे. नमिता मैम
Okay.
मतलब मिलजुल के पढ़ना है. थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़िए. चलिए.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सोनल मैम सुनना.
आलू पराठा.
एक मिनट सोनल.
Yes, ma'am.
इसको सुनना. ये आलू पराठा बनाने का तरीका बता रही हैं.
Okay. Okay.
हाँ चलिए बोलो. लिखा हुआ है आपके पास.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
आपको मैंने भेजा है.
Yes.
Yes,
चलो
ma'am. I
नमिता
got it.
मैम. हाँ पढ़ाइए मैम.
Aloo paratha is my favorite meal by itself. So first we are going to knead the dough for it. Take a bowl, 1 cup of
बॉल.
yes,
बॉल.
ma'am, ball. take a bowl, 1 cup of wheat flour. To this, add half teaspoon of salt and ajwain, and half teaspoon of oil. Gradually pour water to knead the dough. Apply
Yes,
some
गीतू मैम आगे आप पढ़िए. गीतू मैम apply some
apply some oil on it and mix it for 20 minutes.
set
Now
it for 20.
set it for 20 minutes. Now take boiled potatoes, mash them with
With
एक
the
minute.
help of spatula.
Where is- yes ma'am, wait.
Yes.
Mix the
Mix them with the help of
ma'am,
the
where it is in
help
on
of-
second page.
mesh them with the help of spatula. Add spices,
according to taste.
taste. Yes, but
Ma'am, I can't find on next page.
अच्छा किसको मिल रहा है? आपको
But I love adding green chilies.
हाँ, very good. And
But
sprinkle.
I love adding green chilies to it and sprinkle. Sorry, 1 second.
Bit of coriander, थोड़ा सा धनिया and pudina leaves.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And bit of coriander and pudina leaves.
हाँ.
Neetu madam, do you want to continue? Neetu
No,
ma'am?
you
सोनल
can.
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
सोनल आप पढ़िए ना, उनका हो गया, आप पढ़िए, पढ़ सकते हो तो. Read it. See, there are
See,
Just a
there
minute,
are
ma'am.
no lumps.
left in potatoes.
Very good. आगे.
Left
Take
in
the dough.
potatoes, the doing, roll it in small balls. Roll
Yes.
out the
सोनल मैम,
balls into-
अब आप रीड
Yes,
करिए.
ma'am.
रीड करो. Roll out
Roll out the ball into
chapatis.
chapatis.
हाँ.
You
Fill
to-
it.
Same it with potatoes
Mixture.
mixer.
Seal the balls.
Seal the ball.
Flatten the dough.
Flatten the dough ball. Again, place the
Parantha
paratha to brother
on cooked tawa. Cooked tawa. Cooked tawa.
on red
Cook on medium flame
medium flame on
both sides.
side. Add ghee.
On both sides.
Add ghee.
Yes. Your parantha are ready. Serve it. आपको दिख नहीं रहा क्या? क्लियर नहीं है?
जहाँ से स्टॉप हुआ वहां से आगे ऊपर.
हाँ, पढ़िए ना. Parantha is ready. Serve it with
Okay.
curd and
Both
pickle.
you paratha are ready. Enjoy say to with
ठीक है.
curd.
चलिए. गीतू मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
आज
Yes,
आप थोड़ा बोलिए. रीड इट आउट. आप कुछ बोलेंगे कि आपको ऐसा कौन सा काम है which you don't like but you have to do it. Speak it out. You don't like but you have to do it.
Yes, I don't like iron clothes and wash the clothes. Before marriage, I did not do it. I told my mom I can say everything, but I don't like that work, and uh, I will not it. I will
I
not
will
do
not do
it.
it.
I will not do it. But um, after marriage, I should, I should, I
I
have to
had to
do.
do it.
I
I
had to
had
do.
to do it.
I had to do that work. Now it's habitual.
Now I'm habitual.
Now I'm
Take it.
habitual.
Yes.
Now I'm habitual.
Very good. आगे बोलिए थोड़ा सा.
And it's comes come on in my routine.
Naturally, it is in your routine and you are habitual about doing it. But you don't like ironing clothes and
Ironing clothes and washing clothes.
washing clothes. But sometimes it so happen, you know, like ironing clothes. The washerman, he charges. How much does he charge? How much does he charge one cloth?
Now this time he charged 5 rupees for one clothes, each clothes.
5 rupees for one cloth. So
Yeah.
the clothes which are you're wearing at home. So you don't want to give. Like it is very
Okay.
expensive.
Yeah.
Clothes which we wear at home, you can't wear crushed clothes. You can't wear crushed clothes. So automatically you have to do it.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
It is very expensive. Yes. Namita ma'am, you tell me something. The thing which you don't like, but still you have to do it.
Yes, ma'am. Madam, I don't like to sleep early at night. Before marriage, I am more active in night time than day. Before marriage, I like to study and any work or writing in at night. But after marriage, I have to get up early in the morning so that I can't
Yes.
I can't
So you
sleep
can't
late at
manage.
night, no?
Yes, you can't manage to sleep late night.
Because
Yes.
late night. So I have to sleep early or a proper time at night. And matlab, since
Yes.
27 years, I have to do this regularly. Now it become my habit that at 10 o'clock I want to sleep because I have to get up 6 or 6:30 in the morning
Yes.
so that
Okay. Sonalji, you tell me anything which you don't like, but you're still doing it. Sonalji.
Yes, ma'am.
Sonal.
Ma'am.
बुखार आ रहा है.
I can't hear you. Sonal ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब सुनाओ कुछ अपने बारे में बताओ. आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता मगर आप कर रहे हो.
मैम एक्चुअली क्या बताना है वो मुझे क्लियर नहीं हुआ क्योंकि वॉइस ब्रेकिंग हो रहा था ना, सो आई कांट हियर यू.
कोई बात नहीं, आप अपना बताओ कि ऐसा कोई काम है जो लड़कियों को बहुत कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ता है जो नहीं भी मन करता फिर भी करती हैं. तो ऐसा कौन सा काम है आपकी फैमिली में आप कर रहे हो बट यू डोंट लाइक टू डू इट.
यस मैम. Yes,
Sometimes
ma'am.
cooking, but you have to cook. Like she said,
Yes.
she doesn't like to iron the clothes, but she has to do it. तो ऐसा कोई काम बताइए.
Yes, ma'am. I always 3 or 4 times morning cooking, but I don't like cooking again and again. My husband is early morning going job, so food, and after going kitchen, our family food I ready. So 3 or 4 times I cooking, so I don't like it again and again cooking, but I can manage. I like cooking, but again and again don't like it. And
ये होता है. It's not this thing, you know. The most of the things you do, sometimes people don't like to make bake chapatis, but they have to do it. उसके बिना गुजारा थोड़ी है. You have to do the things. अच्छा.
yes, ma'am.
Supposing your son is insisting to go for an ice cream. Your son is insisting. Sonal, मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. Your son is insisting for an ice cream, and तो आपको घर में nobody is there. आपके घर में कोई नहीं है. आपको ताला बंद करके जाना है. तो इस चीज को बताओ. सोनल.
मीन्स बच्चे को घर पे छोड़ के जाना है. यस मैम.
बच्चे को घर पे थोड़ी छोड़ोगे. बच्चे को घर पे आइसक्रीम कैसे पिघल जाएगी. आपको साथ लेके जाना है और ताला मार के जाना है. तो बोलो इस चीज को कि घर में कोई नहीं है और बच्चा जिद कर रहा है आइसक्रीम के लिए. तो मैंने मेरे को घर ताला बंद करके उसको साथ ले जाना है और आइसक्रीम दिलवानी है. बोलिए. मैंने उसको समझाया मगर वो नहीं माना. चलिए.
Yes, ma'am. I told you, my son, nothing our family members is not here to home, so I cannot going to. I buy it your ice cream, you eat. So please try to understand this my position.
Yes.
I don't.
गीतू मैम इसी बात को आप बोलो. गीतू मैम आप बोलो इसी बात को.
Okay, ma'am. My son insist me. He want ice cream right now, and I told him we will go after 1 or 2 hours when family members will come back. Then we will go. Then he said no, I want now. You told me, you said me,
Promised me.
yeah, you promised me every time and you forgot.
Forget. हाँ. तो फिर
forget. And I said okay, I will come, but wait for 15 minutes. If someone come back, then okay. No. Maybe someone come back. I call your father and ask him when he will come.
Now don't tell me your husband will come back for an ice cream. He will not come back. Office से थोड़ी छोड़ के आएंगे.
No, not for office. They went some work, and we are waiting for.
And your child is insisting. Your child is insisting. Yes.
Okay. He said no, mama. I want no, and papa will not come now.
कीतू जी आपको जब insist बोल दिया ना तो फिर कोई बात बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपने कह दिया he is insisting, he is very rigid. वो जिद कर रहा है तो वो आपकी कोई बात सुनेगा नहीं. ओके. तो आप मतलब और कोई डायलॉग मत बताइए. आप ये बोलिए he is insisting, he is very rigid, he is not understanding me. ओके.
Yes ma'am.
सोनल मैम.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
आप सुन रहे हैं ना. ये मैं आप ही का टॉपिक बुलवा रही हूँ इनसे.
Yes ma'am. Yes.
यस. हाँ जी बोलिए आगे. गीतू मैम आप बोलो. चले गए हो. हेलो.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ
Hello.
बोलिए. हाँ बोलिए. बोलिए.
Okay, I thought I lock my house. And we went for ice cream, and I keep my key in neighbor house. And I told
ठीक
her,
है, ठीक है.
and I told them, someone is come back from my family member. Then you will
Please,
give the
the
key,
keys.
and I call them.
Okay, okay.
That
ठीक है,
keys
काफी अच्छा
from
बोला
here.
आपने. Yes. Namita ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
इसी
Sleeping
situation
तो
पर
you don't. Early sleeping तो you don't like, huh? So do you
yes,
like
actually, ma'am, early get up early in the morning. I don't want to
early? You don't like to get up
in the
early
morning.
morning, but you have to get up. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, ठीक है. So just tell me, I mean, आप इस चीज को कैसे बोलोगे जैसे इन्होंने बोला है, like your child is insisting for an ice cream and there's no one at home. So how will you go?
One day, my daughter insisted me to ice cream. I tried to
Convince
convince
her.
her. I tried to convince her that don't convince her that nobody is in home and ice cream shop is very far from our house. And if we go to outside, then maid is about to come, and she will return. Then what will we do? But he is very stubborn. Actually, he is very stubborn.
But she,
And,
अब बेटी की
हाँ,
बात कर रहे हो ना, तो she was
he is
very
very
stubborn.
and that is why I had to go with her. And I locked my house, and I told to my neighbor that if my maid came, please give them keys, and please go with her, because she is alone. She will be alone in the house. So please give 10 minutes of for. And I took my children and went to the ice cream shop.
It so happens na, like once, you know what happened, like my child, he was insisting for an ice cream and I was all alone at home. Sonal ma'am, sun rahe ho?
Yes, ma'am.
My child was insisting for an ice cream and I was all alone at home. I tried to convince my child. But he was unable to understand. And I was expecting my husband to return in half an hour. But my child was yelling like anything. So I locked my house and gave the keys to my
My
neighbor.
neighbor.
Yeah, asking her to, if my husband is back,